Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be reviewing a foldable baby play mat for your little ones. So if you're a mom, a dad, a parent, a grandparent that has their grandkids come over and play, then this is the video for you. So we're gonna get right into it. If you're a new parent, you probably found out very soon that you will spend a lot of time on the floor with your kids. So you want to have a play mat, something with some sort of cushion on the floor so you don't have to sit on the hardwood floors. So as a mom of two little girls, I can tell you that I have gone through plenty of these play mats because not all of them last forever. So I'm going to show you the one that I am reviewing, but I am also going to compare it to one of the previous one that we also use. Well, the play mat is by the brand yoovee and you can find it on Amazon. The price is on the affordable side of it, but I would say the prices usually run more in like the $70-$75 and up, all the way past $100. This playmat is around in the $40 to $50 range. This is by far the largest playmat I have ever had with my kids. The other ones, they were usually smaller, so that was a huge plus. You really want to have like a big open area for them to play, especially if you're gonna sit there. You're gonna take a big chunk of the space as an adult, and then of course you want to have your toys and the kids, so you want the mat to be nice and big. So the mat comes nice and compact like this, and it comes with a carrying bag. Whenever you're not using it, you can just pack it away in this mat into a closet. It even fits underneath the bed, so it's actually really nice and compact whenever you're not using it. Also, this mat is not one of those that has like tiles and you have to put them together like a puzzle. This is just one compact mat that you can fold away, but it's not one of those puzzle ones that we also have, and they could be a pain because I don't know if you ever experienced those mats, but my kids love to tear them apart. So they love to remove all the pieces like it's a puzzle and it's a game, but it's not. So I spend most of my day just trying to put the mat together. So one thing that I absolutely love about this new one. Also, the problem with those mats that comes with tiles is that the design peels off. So my kids love to take that off. So now you're spending $75 on a mat with a lovely design that your kids are just going to tear apart. Right now, moving on to this yoovee mat. So it is double-sided, so you get two designs. So you can choose which design you want to have facing upward. And the one that I have has like an elephant and a monkey on one side, and on the other side is more of a whale, and I think it has like a castle. It's a bit more like princess-like. So it's nice that you get two options for the price of one. The material of the mat, it is waterproof, so if you do end up spilling anything, if your kids trip over water, of juice, or anything really, it is very easy to wipe. All you need is just a rag with water and just wipe it away, and you can dry it and it's like nothing happened. It is very easy to open the mat, just unfold the whole thing and lay it on the floor, and it's ready to be used and also to put away. Just follow the folds on the mat and it kind of folds itself. It is very simple, and then you can put away in the storage bag. The mat is a nice size. It is not super thin and it's not super thick. So it's just the right cushion for you to sit, for your kids to play. Sometimes I even put a slide. They have a little tight slide, so we put it on top. So that's nice for them to use it on top of the mat. So whenever they land and they fall out of the slide, they don't get hurt. They just land on that mat. We have done so many things with this mat because of the design and how you can fold it. I have actually turned the mat into like a little tiki house or tunnel, as my daughter likes to call it. It's better if you do it on top of a floor that has carpet because it stays up. If you do it on a hardwood floor, you'll probably have to put like two chairs to keep it up. But they love playing like that. They love using it as a tunnel, and they just walk through it underneath it. They also use it as a house. So there's plenty of things that you can actually do with this mat besides just using it as a regular mat. If it does end up falling or closing when your kids are underneath it, do not worry because it is super lightweight, and of course they're not gonna get hurt. It's just foam and it is very soft, and it is made for your kids to play with. The other thing that I do love about it is that it's super simple to actually lift and clean underneath it. The other one that we have that is the tile that is like a puzzle. Whenever you want to lift it, the whole thing just falls apart, and then you are just trying to put all the pieces back together just to vacuum and mop underneath it. So this is super easy. I can fold it, clean, and then unfold it and lay it back down. Again, this mat is made out of foam, so they do recommend not to put anything heavy on it. So let's say that you have a little kids table with little kids chair. I would not recommend to put that on top of this mat, because once your kids sit on the chair, the legs of the chair may leave a dent or a mark on the mat. And that's not just for this mat, it's for any foam mat. So no, I would not put anything super heavy on it. And if you do have dogs and their nails are not trimmed, I would not let them on it as well, because they may actually rip through the foam. And again, that's not this mat, it's just any kid's mat. So that's the only thing that I will be careful with. Other than that, your kids can play and run and jump and throw themselves onto it and nothing will happen to it. All right, but that's about it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section. I will also leave the link down in the description box and you can check it out if you're interested. And we also have other designs if you do not like this one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again on my next one. Bye!